What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready for two breaks tonight. One's a jersey and one is cards. This is the high-end jersey one. Best of luck. Still got some big bangers left on our checklist, so hopefully we'll find one of those at least tonight. Here's 8:44 on the time. We got Anaheim to Winnipeg. 3 teams missing: Carolina, Ottawa, Minnesota, and 28 names. So match them up. Good luck. We'll start with the teams. 1. 28 it is. 2. 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 8:45. 8:45, last and final. Last and final is at 8:45. And 8:45, let's copy them over. Florida to Arizona. San Jose to Calgary. All right, there's your teams. Now let's match up some names. It's 8:45. Jonathan, the Pat. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. 8:45. 8:46. Last and final. We'll do it on the names. Last and final. Timestamp 8:46 and 8:46. Chris, top spot. Pat, halfway. And then we got Patrick to Patrick. All right, folks, here's your teams. We'll post them and we'll see you for this break in about 2 hours or so. Thanks for joining us.